Students, our today's topic is mod. What is mod? Mod, the definition of mod is the observation which occurs maximum number of times. That observation which occurs maximum number of times is called a mod. That is called a mod. Now let us take an example how to find out the mod. We have an example here. Find the mod of the following marks out of 10 obtained by the 15 students. We have given the marks here 6 marks, 8, 2, 3, 3, 7, 8, 10 marks, 8, 5, 8, 8, 8, 2, 9. Solution: arrange the observations in order. Which is the smallest observation here? That is 2. 2 occurs 2 times, 2 again. After that 3 is there. Write down 3. 3. After 3 there is a 5. 5, then 6. Only one time is there. Then 7. Then 8. One time. 2 time. 3 time. 4 time. 5 time. 6 time. Then 9. After that 10. Here 8. This one. This frequency occurs. Here 8 occurs 6 times. तो सबसे ज्यादा कौन अकर कर रहा है? 8. यहाँ 2 जो है 2 टाइम अकर कर रहा है, 3 भी 2 टाइम अकर कर रहा है, 5 1 टाइम अकर कर रहा है, 6 1 टाइम कर रहा है, 7 1 टाइम कर रहा है, 8 मैक्सिमम टाइम कर रहा है. देखो चेक करो यहाँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम अकर कर रहा है. The frequency which occurs maximum time, that is known as mod. The frequency which occurs maximum time is known as mod. Therefore mod is mod of above is equal to 8. You can write down mod of. The question is the mod of the following observations. Find the mod of the following observations. The observations are given here in first part: 25, 14, 28, 17, 18, 14, 25, 14, 17 and 14. We have to find out mod of these observations. First of all, what we do? Given observations are. What are the given observations? That is 25, first one. Second is 14, then 28, 17, 18, then 14, 25, 14, 17, then last 14. Arrange them in order. Some order you can write down. Arrange them in any order. You can write down in ascending order or descending order. Arrange them in ascending order. Which one is the smallest number here? Find out. That 14 is the smallest number. Write down 14 here. How many times 14 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 14 is there. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. After 14 there is a 17. How many times 17 is there? 1, 2. 2 times 17 is there. 17, 17. After 17, there is a 18. After 18, which number is there? This is 18. After 18, there is a 25, 2 times. Write down 25. And last, not least, 28 is there. Now see here, 14 occurs 4 times, 17 occurs 2 times, 18 only 1 time, 25 2 times, and 28 only 1 time. Here 14 occurs maximum times. Since 14 occurs maximum times, that is 14 occurs 4 times. Therefore, mod of the above data is 14. Mod of the above data is 14. Right? Find the mod of the following observations. Second question is this. Part second of question number 1. The observations are 0, 6, 1, 5, 6, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 1. The given observations are, write down given observations are. Observations are. That is 0, then 6, 1, 5, 6, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 1. Now write the observations in ascending order or descending order. You can write down. Arrange them in ascending order. We get, which is the smallest here? 0. After 0, again 0 is there. Then 1. How many times 1 is there? 2 times 1 is there. After 1, there is a 2. How many times 2 is there? Only 1 time. Another 2. After 2, there is a 3. How many times 3 is there? 1, 2. 2 times 3 is there. After 3, 4 is. Four. After 4, 5 is there. Only 1 time 5 is there. 5. After then 6. How many times 6 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 is there. Now see here. 0 कितने टाइम है बेटा? 2 टाइम. 1, 2 टाइम. 2, 1 time. 3, 2 time. 4, 2 time. 5 only 1 time. 6, 4 time. तो मैक्सिमम कौन सी है? 6. लिखो. 6 occurs here. 6 occurs maximum times. That is 6 occurs 4 times. Therefore, mod is equal to 6. Mod कितना आ गया? 6. Second question. In second question, the following table, this table shows the weight of 15 students The weight of 15 student is given here. We have to find out the mod of the given observation. The weight 46 kg. Number of students of 46 kg are 3. How many students of 46 kg are there? 3 students. 51 kg. Of 51 kg weight, there is only one student. 53 kg. The students are 5. There are 2 students of 56 kg. And number of students who have 60 kg weight are 6. In this data, we see that maximum number of students whose weight is 53 kg, they are 5. 5 students have weight 53 kg. Therefore, mod is what? Which observation occurs the maximum times? Here 53 occurs maximum times. That is 5 times. Here 53 occurs maximum times. That is 53 occurs 5 times. Therefore, the mod is what? That is 5. Therefore, mod is equal to 5. Third question, the following table shows the sale of shirts having different sizes from a certain shop in a particular month. Find the mod. Here the size of shirt is given, size 38. Number of shirts sold are 24. Size 39. Number of shirts sold are 31. Of 40 size, 23 shirts were sold. And then of 42 size, 14 shirts were sold. And of 44 size, only 7 shirts sold. Here we see that the maximum number of shirts of size 38, 39 are sold. Maximum number of shirts of 39 size are sold. Therefore, this is mod. Write down here. Maximum number of shirts are of 39 size are sold. Therefore, they are 31. Therefore, mod of the above data is 39. Therefore, mod of the above data is 39. Right? In January 2015, the number of children in 10 families of a locality are 4, 3, 4, 0, 2, 2, 5, 2, 1. And mean, median and mod. At the end of the year, families having children 0 and 1 vacated the house. As a result, two more families having children 2 and 5 got the vacant accommodation. Find the new mean, median and mod. देखो कि यहाँ पर 2 फैमिली चली गई, कौन सी 0 and 1, जिनके बच्चे बच्चे कितने थे, 0 या 1 था, कोई नहीं था या 1 था, उन लोगों ने दोनों ने घर खाली कर दिए. एज अ रिजल्ट 2 more families come having children 2 and 5. जिनके चिल्ड्रन कितने थे, 2 and 5. Now we have to find out the new mean, median and mode. Given the number of children of 10 families of a locality are 4, 3, 4, 0, 2, 2, 5, 1 and 3. First of all, we will find out the mean. First of all, what we find? We will find out the mean. How to find out mean? Sum of the given observations. Sum of given observations. Of observations. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Total sum is 26. Total sum is 26. Here the number of observations are. Number of observations are. कितने number of observations? They are 10. Therefore, the mean is. Therefore, the mean is. What is the formula for the mean? Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Sum of observations are 20. Sum of observations are 26 and number of observations 10. That is equal to 2.6. Mean is 2.6. Mean is 2.6. Therefore, write down mean is equal to 2.6. समझ आ गया. मीन कितना है, 2.6. यहाँ नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन आज 10 थी एंड सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कितने है, 26. 26 को 10 से डिवाइड किया कितना है, 2.6. therefore mean is 26. Now we will find out the median. Second one is median. Arrange the given data in ascending order. We will write down the given data in ascending order to find out the median. Arrange the given observations in ascending order. Then order. First of all, the smallest number is 0, then 1, then 2, 4 times, 2, 3 times, sorry, not 4 times, 1, 2, 3 times. Then 3, 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 3. After that, 4, 2 times, one is this, 2 times, then 5. 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now, number of observations are, number of observations. How many observations are there? Number of observations are 10, which are even. क्या है वो? Even. Therefore, the median is, median क्या होगी? Median is middlemost, mean of the middlemost two terms. Middle most two terms because the number of observations are 10. This number of observations are 10. Therefore, median is mean of ny twoth and ny twoth plus 1th term. Right? Put the value of n here. n is 10. देखो मीन किसका मीन निकालेंगे हम फिर मीन ऑफ 10/2 कौन सी होगी एंड 10/2 plus 1 term. That is mean of 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो कितना आ जाएगा 5 फिफ्थ टर्म एंड 10 divided by 2 5 5 plus 1 कितना sixth term mean of fifth and sixth term. Now see here which one is the fifth and sixth term from the observations. First term, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is fifth and this is sixth. देखो mean कैसे निकालते हैं sum of terms divided by number of terms. Therefore, mean कैसे आएगी which is fifth term 2 and sixth term is 3 2 plus 3. How many terms are these are the two terms, so divided by 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 5 divided by 2 5 divided by 2 means 2 2s are 4 1 is 10 2 5s are 10. Therefore median is equal to 2.5. Therefore median is 2.5. Now to find out the mod of the same data which is given above, that see here 0 is one time. For mod what to see? Then observations which occur maximum times. Here in above data I have 0 comes one time, one time. Number of children 1. 2 children, how many times are there? 3 families having 2 children. 3 children 2 families and 4 children of 2 families and 5 children, only one family have 5 children. Therefore 2 occurs 3 times. Since 2 occurs 3 times, therefore the mod is equal to 2. Therefore the mod is equal to 2. क्योंकि 3 फैमिलीज के 2 बच्चे हैं 2 2 2 2 और 2 फैमिली के कितने बच्चे हैं 3 और 2 फैमिली के 4 बच्चे हैं. एक फैमिली के पास 5 बच्चे हैं और एक फैमिली के पास 0 है, कोई बच्चा नहीं है, मतलब एक फैमिली के पास एक बच्चा है. ठीक है. Therefore the mod 2 occurs here 3 times. सबसे ज्यादा क्या है जिनके 2 बच्चे हैं वो फैमिली है 3. Therefore mod is 2. When 2 families having 0 and 1 children vacated the house, उन्होंने घर खाली कर दिया. कौन कौन सी फैमिली ने? जिनका कोई बच्चा नहीं था और जिनका एक बच्चा था, उन्होंने घर खाली कर दिया. और एज अ रिजल्ट 2 more families having children 2 and 5 got the vacant accommodation. और वेकेंट अकोमोडेशन में कौन आ गए? जिनके बच्चे कितने थे 2 और 5. Therefore the observations, the new observations are new observations are 0 and 1. The families of 0 have no children and having 1 children vacated the house, and 2 new families got the vacant accommodation. Now, the observations are 2, 2, 2 and this 2, then 3, 3, 4, 4, then 5 and this 5 in last. We write this in also ascending order. Now we want to find out the mean here. We want to find out mean. To find out the mean, find out करना, उसके बाद क्या करना, find out median and then mod, new mod, ये find out करने हैं हम. Now we find out the new mean, sum of observations. First of all, we will find out sum of observations. Observations, that is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. Count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total sum of these is 32. Sum of observation is 32. How many observations are there? The number of observations are that is equal to 10. Right? Therefore mean is equal to, mean का क्या फॉर्मूला है बेटा? मीन क्या है? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस divided by number of observations. Sum of observations are 32 and number of observations 10. 32 divided by 10 is equal to 3.2. Therefore mean is 3.2. Mean is 3.2. Now to find out the median, new median. After vacant, the 2 families vacate the 2 houses and 2 new families come in their place. 2 new families come in their place. Therefore median is what? Count the number of observations. There are 10 observations. Number of observations are 10. Therefore median क्या आएगी? Median, since the number of observations are even, therefore median is mean of middlemost 2 terms. How to find out the middlemost 2 terms? Count the number. N is what? Number of terms is 10. Therefore mean of what? Median is equal to mean. Mean किसका? Mean of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1. जितना आएगा उसमें plus 1 कर देना. term. Put the value of n here. N is 10. Therefore mean of 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1th term. That is mean of 10 by 2 means 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो कितना आएगा 5. 5th टर्म हो गया. इधर आ जाओ. 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो 5 में 1 ऐड करो कितना 6. fifth and sixth term. Therefore, mean of fifth and sixth terms. Now count the number. Which one is the fifth and sixth term? Count from here. 1, first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth. This is fifth observation, and this is sixth. Fifth and sixth observation are 3 and 3. Therefore, mean of what? 3 plus 3. इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो. नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कितनी है? 2 है. तो मीन कैसे निकालते हैं? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, राइट? Divided by 2. Therefore, 6. 3 plus 6, 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 3 is 6. Therefore, the median is equal to 3. Median is equal to 3. Here the median is equal to 3. Now to find out the new mod of above observations. Here 2 occurs 4 times. कितने टाइम? 4 times. 3 occur 2 times. 4 occur 2 times. 5 occur 2 times. Now to find out the mod, here 2 occur most frequently. Here 2 occurs 4 times. सबसे ज्यादा क्या कौन सी फ्रीक्वेंसी अकर कर रही है? 2. कितनी बार? 4 times. Therefore, the mod is equal to 2. Therefore, mod is equal to 2. राइट, अंडरस्टैंड? ठीक है, मॉड कितना आ गया? 2 आ गया.